Good day, people. I'm calling you, I'm telling you from Grandview Estate, some of the master chef. This is my handsome assistant, and Koboro. Look at that face, a beautiful one. Okay, what we're gonna do today, we are going to make us a turtle toenail soup. You gotta get, the ingredients is very simple and it's all fresh. And the first main ingredient is a turtle. And you gotta hold that turtle, don't let it get away. Okay, we're not gonna kill the turtle. I got a knife here if he tried to bite us, but what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut his toenails off. You gotta use a bigger pliers with a wire to cut them because they're very thick and they're very good for you. But let's go, I don't got much time. But the big ingredients, you hold on, don't let him go, okay? Is that you gotta get a pond of fresh water, okay? And this is lettuce. It's called lettuce lily from the pond. It's very good. It's full of nutrients. So all you do is you pour everything in the dish like that, okay? And the lilies and everything go in. It's very simple. And you get a fresh apple from the Adirondacks. It's very good. And you chop it up with a knife real good, throw it in there, just real simple like that. You got the turtle?
Yes.
Okay, don't let him go away. Can you give me one of those fresh tomatoes? Don't let him get away. Okay, and you know what? You can either just chop it up, or you go smash it and just throw it in there, just like real simple. And then these are fresh potatoes. You throw them in there like that. Another tomato, and chop it up or smash it. Oh, sorry. It's okay. And these are fresh onions. Okay. We throw them in there. Okay, I'll hold the turtle. You put the pepper. And just a little bit of pepper. If you want a very spicy, you make it more. Okay? And put some of the, what is this? The parsley. Some of that in there. Okay? And I put some Italian seasoning in there. Okay? And a little bit of this ginger. Okay, that's fine. Okay? And we're almost ready. Okay. But the main ingredients is this turtle. We're not gonna kill unless he try to bite us, okay? But we on the turtle. I'm gonna cut his nails, okay, right now. They got 4 legs, and each leg has got about 4 or 5 toes, depending if they fight with other ones. But you just cut. Are you ready? You gotta move, okay? Right, just hold on. Okay, gotta pull that leg right there. Okay, one second. I'm gonna cut this one, and there's one. And hold on to now. 2. You gotta have all of that turtle toenail to put them in there. And they're about this size, not a very big, but the flavor is mossy good. Throw them in there like that. Okay, hold on the other leg. Don't let him go now. Don't let him go now. Don't let him go. Hey, you gotta need help. That's why I got it as a handsome man here. Cut this one right here. Don't let him. Okay, I got him now. I got him. Here we go. I got this. Okay, I got that one toenail right there. That's a bigger one right there. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. There's another one. And I got another one. Okay, let me put them all in there. Throw them in there. Okay, let's bring them over here a little bit. Bring them over here a little bit. This is the most dangerous part. You eat the head, and you wanted the head to be stuck inside. There was the apple that we had in there. Okay, you can use the apple and just stick it right in there. Okay, don't let the head come out. Okay, hold it right there. Hold that. And grab the legs. Okay, I'm gonna get these other ones here. Okay, there we go. We almost done. Okay, I got this side. Don't let the head come out. Don't let the head come out. You throw them in there like that. It's a very tiny, but the flavor is very strong. It's almost like a habanero pepper that's so strong. Pull the other one. Just do it over here a little bit like that. Okay, the head's coming out. Don't let him get the head. Put the apple back in there. There you go. Let's cut this other one like that, like this. Okay. And there it is. You did not kill the turtle. We put the pond water, all this pond water in there with the special lettuce lily. We put it in there, and you boil until it gets really boiling hot in there. And if you wanted just a more protein, you get yourself some shrimp and you throw it in there like that, maybe 4 or 5, whatever. You know, you can put fish in there, but don't kill the turtle. Just take it as a turtle toenails, and you cook it for until it starts boiling, until it starts things floating on the top. And you know what? It tastes mighty, mighty good. How does it go?
Mmm.
That's good?
Yes.
That's good? And then it keeps you wide awake at night, and it helps you live longer. Well, that's it for today. I will give you another recipe someday, but this is it. Hope you like the soup and tell me what you think. Okay? Have a good day.